This is the graph of digital advertising expenditure in India. It's increasing every year, right? If people are going digital, there must be some reason for it. And in the past 1.5 year, we have seen that there is no other opportunity for us if we rely on traditional. We have to focus on both. Even if you want to switch offline, but still you need to integrate digital in your product. Okay, and a quick four reasons on why to go digital. You get location freedom. You can work from anywhere. Like some right now we have the freedom to work from anywhere during COVID, but still like sometimes I used to work from Bangalore, sometimes from Hyderabad. I keep on changing my cities for every 6 months, right? So similarly, you just need a net and everything, and you can start working. Low starting investment. You don't need a huge budget to start, because if you're running Facebook ads and selling something online, you can start with as low as 100 rupees, or to be exact, as low as $1, something like 78, 79 rupees. You can start with that amount of budget daily. You don't need a huge budget, and scalability is there. Like once you know that this setup is working for me, okay, I'm getting good leads now, then you can scale. You can just increase the budget of the ad, and done. That's it. You will start getting more leads, more business. Simple. It's easy to stand out. You don't need to worry about Flipkart, Amazon, and other big brands. Even if you're selling something in a high competitive market, still your ads will be shown. You don't have to worry that, for example, if you give your ad in Google, you might get lost in the competition. But if you're giving your ad on Facebook, Facebook will charge you some money. Let's say if you're putting 1,000 rupees per day, if you're putting 1,000 rupees, Facebook will give you some slot. Okay, for 1,000 rupees, we will allow you to reach this many people, and those people are the interested people who will see your ad.